Welcome to the Crabapple, one of the most sought-after floor plans in the Enclave at Harbor Club. This exceptional home offers spacious living and sophisticated features, including a 3-car garage perfectly situated on a premium lot within one of Lake Oconee's premier lake and golf communities. This spacious home is the largest floor plan in the Enclave, featuring a master suite and 2 secondary bedrooms on the main level, plus an additional bedroom and full bath upstairs. The centrally located great room, kitchen, and dining area provide ample living space. The kitchen boasts a large island, abundant cabinetry, a gas cooktop, and a wall oven/microwave. Enjoy cozy evenings by the gas log fireplace, and step out to the covered porch for relaxation and beautiful views of the wooded backyard. Situated in the popular Harbor Club community, this home offers neighborhood access to Lake Oconee via the Boathouse Marina. The clubhouse and Harbor Club's top-rated Morrish-Weiskopf golf course are just minutes away by golf cart or car. Enjoy a range